We are here at the fireworks stand.
And if you're wondering why we are sitting down, we are gonna be doing
Another experiment.
I need to show you kids something.
Yeah.
Look on my neck. My mom whipped off a tick.
Well, they can't really see too good, but.
See, it's right here.
Well, move your hand. There we go. Right there.
Turning worse.
She got bit by a tick, and I yanked it off yesterday morning. Yeah. Now we are doing another experiment. We're going to use a pendulum. Hopefully it works and the wind don't really pick up, because we're going to really have a problem if it does.
Okay, so my mom told me not to think of my dad or Wawa.
Don't think of anything that's going to cause negative energy.
Like,
you better keep a hold of them crayons, because I'm not chasing them.
Like Sorry Sorrel, Aerosaurus, or any of my enemies.
That's right.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Think of Zach and all of my friendships.
Okay. Well, if I can get this stupid
I know
thing
the
out of the
first
bag.
question I want to ask.
Well, let me get the stupid thing out of the bag.
Okay. Am I Noah?
Well, hold your britches on, because this stupid thing don't want to come out of the bag. Man, I can't see, so very good. You.
Mom actually smelled Bigfoot.
I've got it down on my lap, so they wouldn't be able to hear very much. Okay. Now cut it out, Breeze.
Okay, there's maybe, no, yes, maybe.
You have to have it right here in the center.
Okay.
Here, you hold on to it.
Okay, rephrase and rephrase.
Do not move.
Okay. Am I Noah?
What?
What are you doing? Oh my God.
You can't move. It's got to move.
I'm trying.
It is hard when you get,
Hold on.
because now get closer to it. There you go.
Watch.
Well, watch.
You sh-
Well, it's going back and forth. Hold on.
Oh, I think I know what it's doing.
Stop. Okay, hold up. Lift your hand back up, okay. Okay, now re-ask your question.
Am I Noah?
You can't go down on top of the mat. You have to keep your hand up.
Rephrase?
Yeah, say, is Noah's spirit in me?
Oh, okay, okay.
Just make sure it's above this.
I'm thinking about Sonic.
Well, you think about the question in your head, okay, about Noah.
And is Noah inside of me?
Does he carry the spirit of Noah, my stillborn son?
Maybe.
Daryl, you gotta hold your hand up.
Duh.
It's hard to do. Here, let me see.
There, you do it.
Yeah, I've got a little more experience with these, actually.
Yeah, my mom's sister was possessed by a Luigi board.
Hey, you.
Actually, she was possessed by a painting.
Hey, you too.
Huh?
Does Daryl carry the spirit of my stillborn son, Noah, inside of him?
Hey, you. Somebody's moving my crayons. Somebody was moving my red one. I was like, what the heck?
That's possible. Now quit. I'm trying to... Noah, is your spirit inside of Daryl?
Your older brother. But if you were alive,
Are you and your younger brother?
Well,
Your youngest brother, actually. I guess this don't want to answer this question here.
Okay.
Looks like it's pointing to rephrase.
It's possible. I think it's confused. Okay, let me see.
Okay, this one.
Put your hand on my hand, Daryl. Okay.
Is Noah inside of me? Would you quit running?
Listen how
Okay.
I can
It's
go.
spinning around.
That means it's a question to ask later.
Okay.
Okay. Are there any spirits present here?
You have to know the answer.
Oh yeah, because it's going back and forth for yes. Was there any are there murdered spirits? Shame we can't use this in Mill Springs.
Why does it feel like my butt's getting wet?
It's not. It's probably just getting cold from being on the concrete. Anyways, we'll probably go ahead and use something else for now. And we will make a film of us using this at home where we get more of an answer.
Well, thank you for your cooperation.
Yes, thank you for trying to answer our question.
I'm sorry if you didn't like the question about Noah. I'm just real curious.
I know. I don't think it's a question they can answer.
I think they're like, you gotta figure that out for yourself.
Well, either that or, like I said, it's not a question to ask here because we're not by the cemetery. Okay? At home.
And subscribe. And
Hold on, I gotta pick it up.
Don't hug with scabbings back in the face.
My poor phone. She's trying to yeet it and break it some more.
No.
Oh yeah, speaking of, kinda like dying.
Oh, stinky. Okay. We're going to use an app again while we're sitting. Oh, here's this one. Still up. Apart. Okay. What? That's not a demon. Because it's not red. I was actually talking to a demon yesterday here.
Huh?
Yeah.
What did it want you to do?
That wanted me to open myself up again to the spirits, which has been a little impossible. It's a good spirit, and this one must be an animal then, because it's not saying nothing else except the word that it said. We are going to check, though, on our way.
Hold on.
To see if I can find that raccoon's body and see if we can actually listen again for any cubs that might be. What, baby?
Yellow.
How did you lose your yellow crayon?
Is that it back there?
Is it right there, or is that a stick? Right here, Ayana. Right there.
Oh, yeah, these are
I thought it was.
That's these crayons to go. I'm gonna try one more time.
Want to try the dowsing rods here?
I guess.
Well, yes or no. I mean.
Fine, yes.
Or we can go home. With the wind starting to pick up, I don't know if those...
You better not lose any of those.
How many do you have?
I got down.
What'd you do, lose one? Yep, typical.
No, I lose.
You lost 2?
Come back and win.
Okay, we are
Here, let me
out.
Hold on, let me help.